In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Steam games not launching on your PC. Let's get started. First, launch your Steam app, then click on the Steam option, go to the option settings. Now navigate to the option downloads. Over here, you're going to find the option of clear cache. Click on that. This can fix issue related to games not launching or downloading properly. Once you confirm, Steam will restart automatically. Next, if your game still is not launching, open Task Manager, double-click on the task bar, select the option Task Manager. Now here, find Steam, double-click on it and select the option End Task. Then you can launch Steam. This might fix your issue. If this solution didn't work out for you, what you want to do is launch Steam, then navigate to the Library tab, head over to the game that is not launching, double-click on it, select Manage, then Uninstall. After that, reinstall the game, preferably on a different drive if you have one, as sometimes storage issues can cause launch problems. Another very effective fix is to verify the game's file. Right-click on the game, go to Properties, then Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan and fix any issues or corrupted files automatically. You can also try launching the game directly from its installation folder. Go to Install Files, click Browse, then find the game's executable file. Right-click it, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and enable Run this program as administrator. You can also try compatibility mode if needed. Additionally, you can try moving the game to another drive using the Move Install folder option inside Steam settings, which can sometimes resolve hidden issues. And finally, check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes security software can block games from launching, so make sure your game and Steam are allowed that through. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Steam games not launching. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.